The ultimate Roblox review, free Robux tutorial from 0 to pro in 1 minute. If you're searching for free Robux, this video will save you from the biggest mistakes people make. The number one rule: there are no shortcuts that magically generate Robux. Most sites claiming free Robux are designed to take your account, not reward it. But don't worry, here's how to stay safe and still enjoy Roblox like a pro. Many users fall for scams because they think they're gaining something fast. But here's the surprising truth. Roblox has strict rules. Only the official website or in-game systems can give you real Robux. Any site asking for your username and password should be avoided instantly. So how do you go from 0 to pro? First, learn the safe ways to earn. Create and sell items, build a popular game, or join the Roblox premium subscription to receive monthly Robux. These methods take effort, but they're trusted and secure. Most people get this wrong by trusting rewards that seem easy. Here's a simple pro check: if a website asks you to complete ads, share personal data, or install random apps, stop right there. That risk isn't worth it. You won't believe how many accounts get stolen every day because of fake promises. Don't let yours be one of them. The smarter you are, the more fun Roblox becomes. Stay safe, stay creative, and build your success the right way. More smart gaming tips are coming soon.